to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso and cream cheese dip. It's very easy and you can make it in no time, but it's so addictive. It's like Japanese version of sour cream and onion. Today I'm having it with some crackers, but it's great for vegetable sticks too. Let's get started. These are what you need. 100g or quarter pound cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of miso, 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt, some crackers and green onion. Let's slice some green onion first. You can use chive instead. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And slice thinly. Cream cheese, room temperature in the bowl. Miso. And yogurt. And this is just the consistency. So if you want to make it looser, you add 2 tablespoons. And if you want to make it thick, you add 1 tablespoon. I'm adding little over 1 tablespoon today. And mix it well. Nice and smooth. So let's add the green onion. Give it a mix. And the dip is ready. Serve with some crackers and miso and cream cheese dip is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. I need some beer. Delicious. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!